Why not?
Not eat it.
I need to get in. Can you open the door? Can I open this door? I can't fit.
You can fit in that. I opened it
Can
already.
I push it over there?
Okay.
Can I have this one? Can I have that one?
No, it's too big.
Can I have it?
It's too big.
Can I have that one?
Too small.
Which one can I have?
You can have. Or you can have the red ones.
This one?
Yeah.
What about that one?
It's a monster one.
Can I have it?
I have a monster one.
Can I? Yes. Can I have that one?
Okay, you can have the lullaby.
This one?
Yeah.
And which one? This one too?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Funny, Dad. Funny touching my tooth. Funny. It's funny. I look like Daddy.
Okay.
I can't shake this.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Ah, I'm gonna eat a grape.
Hey.
Give him a grape.
I need something.
I need a grape. Can I have a grape?
Okay.
Give me one. Give me one and I'll give it to Daddy.
I'll give it to you.
Okay.
I'll give it to you, Dad.
Okay.
Seeds colors, that means? Colors, that
Is there
means?
seeds in it?
We take the seeds out.
You took it out already?
I took it out already.
Okay. Can I have it?
Mama took the seed out.
Oh!
No Cookie Monster. No Cookie Monster. Day. That is funny.
Another one. Wow, wow, wow,
It's funny.
wow. Can I have some more grapes? Can Daddy have more grapes?
Maybe. Maybe not.
Can I have more grapes? Daddy's hungry.
Daddy, I put it right here. Why in my side?
Can I have one?
Why in my side? Throw it out the stairs.
I need more grapes.